to Leo. Teach the animal how to survive now. Mine, he like blackberries. Ain't right, buddy? We can make it again. Blackberries. Somebody. Gotta pick a couple of them. They're good, ain't they? Things hurt, don't they? You can get you a couple of them out of here. Yeah. Come boy, get them blackberries. Good, ain't they, buddy? We'll survive all these things, won't we, Cadillac? We got to, ain't we? A bunch of them. They're all around you. They're all around you, buddy. Look. Look right there. Ow. Ow. Here. Get them. Get them. Thing's good, ain't it, buddy? Probably make it turd purple. My name. We like blackberries, don't we, buddy? No. We like us some blackberries, don't we, boy? Get you a couple more of them. Get you a couple more of them things. Pick you some blackberries, boy. He picks his own food too, so he's good. He ain't too needy. He's a good boy. Good boy. He's a good one. All right, he's done picking blackberries. And even the little black one. She joins in a little bit too with the blackberry eating, not the picking. Yep, there she goes. They can survive out here, can't you? Wait to see what they do with a watermelon. Ow. Dang briars. Well, one for the road, Cadillac. Y'all be good. To Leo. Peace.